What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're back with another unwrapping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. But this one I'm calling wrapping because Menlo package is for January, and January we're coming with something unique, something different. I'll say this: the owner, CEO, or the guy that does the most interaction, D. Murthy for Menlo House, said, hey, because of Christmas, because of this, because of that, we're having problems getting all the subscriptions out and the packages out, this, that, and the other. So I know we did the preview, I know we did this, we did that. We're gonna make it right because we cannot get it out to you in time. So what do they do? Packages for me right now cost $65 a month. They give you $120 credit. Now, I'll say this, for that, it's not too great of a deal because of the fact that full price, you're getting something you probably get in a package anyway for $120. However, you're a member, so you get the member prices, so you get to pick something you may already been eyeing and looking at. So I think that's pretty dope. I got something I was eyeing looking at. I had this version of it already, so now I got another set. And you probably seen this on the previous package I had, but what we're gonna do is open this up in front of you guys and gals and see what it is. I know what it is. I know y'all don't, but I don't know the color, how it's gonna look. I kind of just know the tint, so I'm gonna see how that looks. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, thumbnail. Yeah. All right, let's see what's going down. All right. My little bags I keep them. The Menlo, Melrose Place. All right. Ooh. Okay. So I love these sweats so much from the package I got originally just from being a subscriber. I went ahead and got me another color, like I said, but I didn't know how it was gonna look. Wow, hey, a whole box just fell down in my garage. But all right, but we'll get to that later. Yo, so this is pretty much just black, and so let's just give you the product. So this neck is different to any crew neck sweats you're gonna have. That's gonna make you stick out. You know what I'm saying? Pop. You know what I mean? You got the sleeves. That's what you need to know. This is black. That's what I want to know. What color this was? Maybe blue or black. And then you got the that bottom right there. So it's not your normal Fruit of the Loom Hanes, crew neck sweater. This that real. And let me tell you, when I say comfortable, homie, comfortable. So that's that. We're gonna file that away. Separate bag for the sweats. All right, so you see the waist. Man, that looks, man, is that my waist, man? See, one back pocket, so you put your stuff in there. You do have side pockets, good to go. To me, this fits perfect. Like, this looks huge, bro. But it fits me, trust me. And then here you go with the, that way. that bottom. So this grips around your leg nice, bro. Like look at that. It's gonna just hold on to you, you know? Put your kicks out and all that. And let me tell you when, oh, let me show you this too. Threads, strings. So when I tell you this is so comfortable that I have to get another one, I had to get another one. All right, so man, it feels good to do another unboxing and wrapping. Finally, y'all came through Menlo. What I want to know is, because I was excited. January usually gets some workout gear, some outfits. I really want to know, is that coming? Are y'all look out for us on the credit, and then you giving us the package, but it's later, or is this just it? But if it's just it, I'll take it. You know, hopefully February, March, y'all come with some heat. Look out for us a little bit more, but hey, if not, it's a win-win, man. That's all black. I don't know if it was gonna be like a charcoal or kind of a dark navy blue. I didn't know what color was ink, but I guess it's ink black. You know what I mean? But anyway, that's January package for me. It's probably different for everybody else, but yeah. Anyway, although this is weird unwrapping and unboxing, but it feels good to do that again. Till the next time, take care of each other. Be careful out there, and you know, what can I say, man? We'll see you on the next one. Long live D-Mac.